As commonplace as the act of urination may be a fundamental biological process we perform numerous times throughout the day, few of us pause to contemplate the impressive amount of liquid our body processes and eliminates in a relatively short period of time. Imagine for a moment, over the course of a single month, the sum total of all this silent and constant physiological activity culminates in a surprising volume, enough to completely fill a standard-sized bathtub. This seemingly simple realization reveals an intricate dance of filtration, regulation, and excretion masterfully orchestrated by our kidneys, the tireless guardians of our internal water balance. Prepare to delve into the depths of this fascinating aspect of human physiology, unraveling the liquid secrets that silently accumulate with each urination, revealing the remarkable efficiency and complexity of our urinary system. Forget the notion that urine is merely disposable waste, an insignificant byproduct of our metabolism. In fact, it is the end result of a highly selective and meticulous filtration process that occurs incessantly in our kidneys. These vital organs, working in synchrony, act as true microscopic treatment plants, filtering the blood to remove excess water, mineral salts, urea, and other substances that the body does not need or that can be harmful in high concentrations. This complex process involves millions of tiny filtration units called nephrons, each performing a series of intricate steps to ensure that only what is essential is retained and the rest is directed towards the formation of urine. The amount of blood that passes through our kidneys each day is astonishing, and the efficiency with which they extract waste and regulate the composition of our bodily fluids is truly remarkable. The exact amount of urine that an individual produces in a month can vary considerably, influenced by a myriad of interconnected factors. Daily fluid intake plays a crucial role, as the more we drink, the more liquid needs to be processed and eliminated by the kidneys. Diet also contributes significantly, as certain foods have a higher water content and can also influence urine production. Furthermore, environmental factors, such as temperature and physical activity levels, can affect the amount of fluid we lose through sweat, indirectly impacting the volume of urine produced. Pre-existing medical conditions and the use of certain medications can also have a significant effect on kidney function and, consequently, on urinary output. Therefore, the estimate that we urinate enough to fill a bathtub in a month represents an approximate average, an impactful way to illustrate the substantial volume of liquid that our body regularly processes. To visualize the magnitude of this volume, let's consider the dimensions of a standard bathtub. Although sizes may vary slightly, a typical bathtub has a capacity that generally ranges between 150 and 200 liters, approximately 40 to 53 U.S. gallons. Now imagine all the urine you produce over the course of a month being gradually poured into this container. Day after day, urination after urination, the liquid level would rise, slowly filling the space until it reaches the surprising mark of a completely full bathtub. This vivid image helps us appreciate the scale of the renal activity that occurs silently within our bodies, a testament to their tireless dedication to maintaining our internal balance. The realization that we urinate the equivalent of a bathtub full of liquid in a month underscores the vital importance of adequate hydration for the health of our urinary system and for the overall well-being of our body. Water is essential for the proper functioning of the kidneys, aiding in the filtration of waste products and preventing the formation of kidney stones. Insufficient fluid intake can overload the kidneys and impair their ability to perform their functions efficiently. Therefore, staying well hydrated is not just a matter of quenching thirst, but a fundamental practice to support kidney health and ensure that this crucial system can continue to play its vital role in maintaining our internal equilibrium. Beyond its function of eliminating waste, urine also carries with it a wealth of information about the state of our body's health. The color, odor, and frequency of urination can provide important clues about our hydration level, kidney function, and the presence of potential health issues. Significant changes in these aspects can be warning signs that require medical attention. Therefore, paying attention to our urinary habits and the characteristics of our urine can be a simple and effective way to monitor our health and identify early any irregularities that may arise. In summary, the seemingly modest act of urination reveals a fascinating story of filtration, regulation, and water balance orchestrated by our incredible kidneys. The realization that, over the course of a single month, we produce a volume of urine sufficient to fill a bathtub serves as an impactful reminder of the constant and essential activity that occurs silently within us. As we contemplate this liquid enigma, we are invited to appreciate the complexity and efficiency of our urinary system, to recognize the vital importance of adequate hydration, and to pay attention to the signals our body sends us through this fundamental biological process. The bathtub full of monthly urine is not just a statistical curiosity, but a powerful metaphor for the remarkable physiological machinery that works tirelessly to keep us healthy and in balance.